Hello Year 1 and happy Friday. It's the last day before our half-term holiday. If yesterday was the 11th of February, what day is it today? It's the 12th of February. Now we need to write that in our short date format. So we have 12, which has 1 10 and 2 ones. Dot 2, because February is our second month and the year is 2021. We also need to practice our numbers, so we start at 0. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I'd like you to pause the video here and have a go at practicing to write the short date and your numbers. So earlier on in the week you were practicing counting in 2s and then counting in 5s. Today we are practicing counting in 10s. So that means that the number gets bigger by 10 each step we take. So we are going to start at 0 and go up to 50 using our 10s. So 0 add 10 is 10. 10 add 10 is 20. 20 add 10 is 30. 30 add 10 is 40. And 40 add 10 is 50. So we have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Can you spot a pattern? When we start at 0 and go up by 10 each time, the ones column doesn't change. It stays as 0 ones. And the tens column changes by 10 each time. So you have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's try our first challenge all together. So we have some colouring pencil crayons. There are 10 in each box. How many sets of 10 can you see? Well, there are 1, 2. We need to figure out how many pencil crayons there are all together. So we need to count it by 10. If we start on 0, we need to make 1, 2 steps of 10. So we start at 0, 0 add 10 is 10, and 10 add 10 is 20. So we've made our 2 steps of 10, 1, 2, so there are 20 pencil crayons all together, because there are 10 in each set, and if we started on 0 and went up by 10 each time, 0, 10, 20, there are 20 pencil crayons all together. So we have a new problem now. We need to figure out how many pencil pots we have all together. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pencil pots all together. And how many pencil crayons are in each pot? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 4 pencil pots and there are 10 pencil crayons in each pot. We need to work out how many pencil crayons there are all together. We could count each pencil crayon, but that would take quite a long time. So instead, we are going to count in 10. We start at 0 and we need to make 4 steps of 10 to get the correct number of how many pencil crayons there are all together. So if we start on 0, 0 add 10 is 10. That's our first step. 10 add 10 is 20. That's our second step. 20 add 10 is 30. That's our third step. and 30 add 10 is 40. So that's our fourth step. So we've gone 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So there are 40 pencil crayons altogether, because if there are 4 pencil pots and 10 pencils in each pot, 4 lots of 10 is 40. Let's try another challenge altogether. So I have 50 counting sticks here, and I need to sort them out into sets of 10. So if I have 50 counting sticks, how many sets of 10 do you predict I will have? Well, let's put them together into bundles of 10 and find out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have my first bundle of 10. So far there is one bundle of 10. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have my next bundle of 10. So far I have 1, 2. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have my next bundle of 10. So I have 1, 2, 3 bundles of 10 so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have my next bundle of 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bundles of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have my last bundle of 10. So how many bundles do I have altogether? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bundles of 10, and there are 50 counting sticks altogether. So our last challenge today is if we start at the number 0 and count in tens, will I say the number 48? Well, if we're counting in tens and we start at 0, remember what we said at the start. When we start at 0 and count in tens, our ones don't change. They stay at 0. So let's count in tens to 50. 0 add 10 is 10. 10 add 10 is 20. 20 add 10 is 30. 30 add 10 is 40. And 40 add 10 is 50. But here's 48. 48 has 8 ones. So when we start at 0 and count in tens, we wouldn't say the number 48, because 48 has 8 ones. And when starting at 0 and counting in tens, the ones will always be 0. I'd now like you to have a go at the worksheet. Don't forget to try the maths challenge, and if you want a further extension, you can do the National Oak Academy video. I can't wait to see your brilliant work, Year 1. Well done for working so hard in maths this half term. You've been doing some brilliant work.